1. Freelancing offers a flexible way to earn money online by utilizing your skills. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for services ranging from graphic design to writing and programming. 2. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. By sharing affiliate links on your blog or social media, you can generate income when someone makes a purchase through your link. 3. Online surveys and market research provide a simple way to make money from home. Companies pay for consumer opinions, and platforms like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks offer cash or gift cards in exchange for your feedback. 4. Selling products online through platforms like Etsy or Amazon can turn your hobby into a business. Whether it's handmade crafts or vintage finds, these marketplaces provide a global audience for your products. 5. Creating and selling online courses allows you to share your expertise with others. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable offer tools to create engaging courses, and you can earn money as students enroll and learn from your content.